Welcome back everybody to the channel. This is Carson Hardy, aka Carsonist from Creationist, and today is a very exciting day. I have received a package and it actually came one day early. Now I'm sure you're wondering what this is, but you're probably not because the title is going to say it all. This is officially my 6th drone, I believe. The first one was a gift given to me, this small little drone. The second one was something I made for my senior mastery back in high school. And then the next 3 to 4 drones, most of them being DJI products, and then I had one other drone just kind of thrown in the mix so I can fly at my house and in my home for practice. Now, let's hop on into it. Boom! So this is the DJI Mavic Air 2. Now, with my previous history with DJI, I've actually gotten smaller and smaller each time. I started off with the Phantom 4 Pro, which was an excellent drone, and it had a lot of stability, but it was just too big. And once I sold that, I got my computer, and next up was the DJI Mavic Pro. And with the Mavic Pro, I was finally able to throw something in my backpack and get incredible shots, but it just was still too big and felt a little cumbersome. So now I have hopped down to even a smaller line of their drones, and that is the Mavic Air. And I'm very excited because this one has the most battery life out of all of them. For being such a small drone, the amount of technology that they packed into this is absolutely incredible. Boom! Alright, here we are. We are presented firstly with a nice package. I don't typically use any other bags besides my go-to Manfrotto, but wow, it looks like they actually fit pretty much every single thing within this bag besides this little piece, which I'm not sure. Maybe just the paperwork, maybe some propellers. It does look like mostly just paperwork and propellers, so I guess my guess was correct. Got a lot of propellers. Hopefully I won't be needing too many. Wow, this bag does look sleek though. You always know it's a good bag by the zipper. Alright, and opening this up, wow. Okay, let's really get in here. Okay, it's great lining. We've got a bunch of accessories over in this front pocket. Okay, we got some adapters, a little bent up, but I'm sure it works perfectly fine. The multi-charger, yeah, I'm sure everything's in there. I want to get to the good part. The actual drone itself, oh wow. Okay, here we go. Wow, this is so puny compared to what I'm used to. This is so puny compared to what I'm used to. So we're just going to slide these out, flip those around, and just like that, we've got a drone, and it almost fits on this tiny little stool I have. It's crazy. You can fit 35 minutes, or 34, I believe, in this tiny little drone, although these batteries run you quite a bit. And that's why I went for the Fly More combo. You are getting 3 batteries, so that's what really makes it worth it, in my opinion. Here we are. I believe this is the multi-charger. Actually, better yet, this is the controller. Look at this. It's sleek, a little bit larger, but finally they've got a nice phone mount up on the top. Wow. Okay. It's pretty hefty. Excited about that. Got the cords in there. And what we got in this box is some more power cables. Gotta have plenty of those. One of the bricks. Got a USB on there as well. And then our 2 extra batteries. Oh, there we go. So 3 batteries in total. I mean, you're paying like an extra $200 for the Fly More combo, but you're getting easily $300+ worth of value. Alright, I could sit here and talk about this unboxing all day, but I'm sure y'all actually want to see some footage. So let's get out there. I've got a little bit of sun left. If I can't get it tonight, I'm getting it in the morning. Let's go.